Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're already parked and secured, now take immediate control. First, wake the touchscreen and confirm the car is in park so systems respond. Look at the center dash. The red triangle hazard switch is near the top center area. Use it first. If the physical button is sticky or unresponsive, you can open the quick controls on the touchscreen. Once you can access either the button or touchscreen, you're ready to attempt turning the hazards off. This ensures electrical systems stay stable. You should press the red triangle firmly one time. The hazard lights will toggle off if they were on. If the physical switch doesn't work, tap Controls, then quick controls on the touchscreen and toggle the hazard switch off. Make sure to watch the instrument cluster and exterior lights as you act. The flashing indicators should stop within a second or two. If they don't, press again and observe whether the indicator sound or visual feedback changes, so you can determine if it's mechanical or electronic. Once the hazards appear off, walk around the car or use the camera to confirm no lights are flashing. This prevents battery drain. If hazards stay on, perform a soft reset by holding both steering wheel scroll wheels until the center display reboots. This often clears software glitches. If the problem persists, lock the car, wait 30 seconds, then unlock to power cycle modules, and schedule service if the switch still fails. One troubleshooting tip: a soft reset usually solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.